Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to insert the SD card to your Mi 360 security camera. Okay, to insert the SD card, the location will be here, and you can now just rotate your camera if you already connect the camera, and you will see the SD card location and the reset button on here. Okay, now you see my SD card is already inserted to the camera. Okay, and if you not yet connect the camera to your smartphone, just slightly rotate the camera here, and you will find the reset button and the SD card here. That is the first step, that you need to reset the camera before you can connect to your smartphone. Okay, now that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can insert the SD card to your Mi 360 security camera. And now thanks for your time watching this short video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.